मोस्ट लाइकली आपने इस कंपनी के बारे में नहीं सुना होगा, बट इंडिया के हाई नेटवर्थ एंड रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स इसके आईपीओ में काफी हेविली बेट कर रहे हैं। द कंपनी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज DEE डेवलपमेंट इंजीनियर्स लिमिटेड, जिसका आईपीओ ओपन हुआ ऑन जून 19 एंड इज ऑलरेडी फुली सब्सक्राइब्ड। बट इज इट वर्थ betting on? Well, you should definitely consider these 6 key things before making that call. First, DE Development India का एक काफी बड़ा प्लेयर है in process piping solutions with an installed capacity of 94,500 MT per annum. क्योंकि ये कंपनी एक niche segment में काम करती है with high entry barriers, new players के लिए इस segment में compete करना मुश्किल है। Second, in 3.5 decades of DEE's operations, the company has made many long-standing relations, including with Fortune 500 companies. Reliance, Mitsubishi, and Man Industries have been associated with DEE for over 10 years, giving it competitive advantages like revenue visibility and industry goodwill. Third, company के order book has been on a growth path. It has surged by approximately 70% from March 2021 to March 2023, signaling strong future growth. Fourth, the company's revenue is highly concentrated. It depends on its top 20 customers for 86% of its total revenue. And अगर इनमें से कोई भी customer अपना contract terminate करता है, then the business may be severely impacted. Fifth, DEE's employee costs have not only increased but have also been significantly higher versus its nearest competitor ISGEC. ISGEC की employee cost of 7 to 8% over the last 3 financial years, while that of DEE is more than double at 17 to 19%. Any increase in this could hamper its profitability. Lastly, some of DEE's subsidiaries are currently operating at losses for the last 3 fiscals. The company believes that they may continue doing so, which is a material red flag for the company's financials. अब अगर आपको ये कंटेंट हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू INT Money's YouTube चैनल एंड जाने से पहले लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स दैट विल यू बी अप्लाइंग फॉर दिस IPO.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.